lawnmower house from Home Depot. Let's see if we can put it together. We got the boxes open. We're gonna dump all the contents out. Let's do it. Oh, it comes in carton A and then carton B. Catch it, catch it. That's one way to do it. Gentle. All right. Okay, so here are all the pieces. We think the instructions in that brown box, and we're gonna go and try to read the instructions. I put that wall in, and now that one. Right. So let me go show you. Here's how they look. And then here's how they look from behind. I just slide it in and scoot it to the side. Like, see, this is nothing fancy. Step is to find S1. And then it says S1 right there. S1 too. Trevor has the screws in. Now I'm gonna install the side panel. Here are the side panels. I don't know. Oh, I can tell. This piece gotta go on the bottom. I slid them in, pushed them over. Now I think we need the screws to lock. All right, and then it's the same thing. Use S2 to lock in the side. So that was S1, and now we're using S2. All right, all 6 screws. What do you think? I feel like I should tape them while we're at the stage and secure everything. The next step says install fittings to the right door panel and then the left. Oh man, this looks a little hard. But I think this is the end picture, is where they had doors on. I just gotta take my time and understand like what part to put where. All right, this is how I think it should look. The handle is towards the top. I gotta figure out how to get this inside like this. Okay, we're trying to put this bottom piece in. We don't really know how it works. I'm sorry, but we did get one latch in. It's not tight. All right, put the black thing on the door first before putting the door on. Yeah, we're doing it backwards. We have these on wrong with the fat parts on the door. And then we think this piece goes like that. All right, so we have the doors on with that. We put this on. We're not even sure what it does. I feel like this is missing something. I think that's how it goes. We don't know. There's the roof, and I think it has screws. Like here, looks different than that side. It's saying we need that tall thing right here, right here. Oh, put latches on the roof. Okay, let's grab the roof and take it in the house. Put the hinges on the roof inside, since we kind of know to put the lock on while we inside. Here's the lock. The other piece hangs down. I think we're done. She's a little off track. I taped it down so to stay together. What do you think, T? Yes, will it fit the lawnmower? That's why we got it. Go get the lawnmower. Let's see. I don't even think this is in right. I feel like something's supposed to go there. Here's the lawnmower. Right, let's try it with the lawnmower. open that other door. All right, see where she go in, T. Nope. So we think the only way for it to go in is if we take the back off. Put her down, yeah. And we push the handles inward. Trevor, just leave it there for right now. Just leave it. Now we think she'll go in. Okay. What do you think? Here, set her thing on top. Fits.